Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Ocheck Technology, and today we'll be looking at email account setup using our cPanel. I would like us to first of all open our browser, and now in our browser, in order for us to access a cPanel for a domain, all you do is just to write the domain name. I'm going to be using one of the domain which I manage for an example today. So if you notice on the URL, I'm having the domain name, and I just put a /cPanel. By the time I go to this page, it takes me directly to the cPanel of that website or that domain. So you enter the details for this cPanel, and then you'll be able to get into the environment where all the tools you can use to manage the website or the domain host is. So once you've provided the login information, you just press log in, and it takes you straight into your cPanel environment where you find all the necessary tools used to manage your hosting, your website host. And then these are the tools. Most often this is the way it's going to look like. Your own interface might be a little bit different, but virtually all the same. The tools I'm having here is what you'll be having on your cPanel. If you look at the top, you have the first one, which is email. Even if you don't get it at the top, you could also scroll down to look for your email. I just want to scroll down so that you see how it looks, or you use your search. Come here to this place, you just type email and then you search for it. But for us, it's very easy here, so I'm going to just go straight to the email account. I click at the email account, and it brings me to the email account environment. Currently this domain already has one email, but we're going to be creating. Now if you look at this place, you have a create. We're going to just select from there to create an account. Now if you notice at the username, it is already stated the domain at your domain name. So all you just need to do is to get the prefix, which is the beginning part of the email. For this example now, I will be using admin. So I'm having admin at this domain, this domain name, and I'm going to be setting the password. I can decide to generate a password, which will give me something very strong, or I create my own password. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be creating a password. I've created a password for this. Now you could go to this edit optional settings just to check. This place gives you the storage space. For this cPanel, the highest storage space is 1 gig. There are some that can give you unlimited. You could increase it, but for this, the maximum is just 1 gig. So I'll just take it to my 1 gig, and I click on create. So once you've clicked on the create button, the email is created. Email is created, and if you come now, you see it. This is admin email now. Now I want to access this email. I'm going to open another tab, and I'm going to almost the same pattern we use for accessing our cPanel is what we're going to use. You're going to have your URL. Okay, so then you're going to be having a /webmail. The URL /webmail. Once you click on it, once you go to the page, you have it. And then now I'm going to input the admin at my URL, and I'm going to input my password, and I'm going to log in. You see, successfully log in. And whenever I want it to just use this run cube for me whenever I log in. So you could just open with this run cube, and this is my email interface. The configuration mail has been set to me. It's similar to our normal email, like a Gmail and the rest. You can create an email, send an email. You can check like this for creating a new message. You create an email to the subject, your content, and then you send. Once you send, it goes to that email. So I just want to quickly run through this, and then this is where we get all our emails: inbox, drafts, sent, item, trash, archive, and the rest. So let's get back to our email setup, so that I can manage this email. from time to time. We have our check email. From here, with this check email, we can log in directly from the cPanel into our email. So let's try it. So we are logging in directly from our cPanel into our email, the admin email. We are back to that place. We didn't need the username and the password. Now for this manage takes us back to the page whereby we used to create our email. But in this place, the only thing we can do is just to change password. Should in case maybe in the future you forgot the password and you want to reset the password, you could just generate a new password here, and then you could increase the size, and then you just update the email settings. You could also delete your email account from here. And the last part is the connect to device. This is where you get the whole information on how to connect to your device. Maybe you want to set it up on your phone. There's the username, the password which you create, your incoming server, the IMAP port number, the outgoing server, and the rest of it like that. So with this little video I have just done, I believe that you should be able to have a knowledge on how to kickstart yourself on creating emails account, updating them, editing them, changing the password, logging into your webmail, and the rest of it. So give this video a thumbs up, make your comment on it, you can share it, and thank you for watching this video.